everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I'm gonna show you this normal braid hairstyle with a trick. So this is very simple and cute hairstyle. First of all, comb your hair thoroughly that there are no tangles, and take all over your hair into one side and take a small part of the hair on that overall hair. So leave the remaining hair and take that small part into divided into 3 equal parts. Now that 3 equal parts, braid it normally. The normal 3-strand braid, right goes to middle, left goes to middle, right goes to middle, left goes to middle. This is the procedure of normal braid. That the normal 3-strand braid was completed. So now take an elastic and fix it at the end of the braid. Now take a side of that braid and gather your remaining hair into front. Now braid it normal braid, reverse 3-strand braid. Now divided 3 equal parts, right part, middle part and left part. Now the braid was started. Right goes under the middle and left goes under the middle. Right goes under the middle and left goes under the middle. Again goes right goes under the middle and left goes under the middle. This is the reverse 3-strand braid. Now pull out your strands. It will give nice look of your braid. Now again continues the braid and pull out the strands. It will give bouncy look of your hair. Now take an elastic and fix it at the end of your hair. Now take thin braid, pull out the strands like so. Now take bobby pins. These are the bobby pins I used. Take one bobby pin. Now place in the thinner braid, middle of the thicker braid like so. And then take the bobby pin and secure it vertically like so. Take another elastic and secure the 2 braids. please subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, now remove the previous elastics. Thank you for watching, guys, this video. By the way, I already created twisted braid hairstyle I uploaded recently. Please check my other videos also. In that video, I provided a link in the description bar below or iCards also. Please check my other videos and like that videos also. Thank you, guys. So this is the hairstyle I created. So if you like this video, please like my video and share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye. Keep smiling.